Hello, my name is Denka Sutton. I'm a certified massage therapist in Los Angeles, California, and today I'm going to show you how to massage a client with arteriosclerosis. If your client suffers with arteriosclerosis, you cannot do a deep pressure. So what we're gonna do is use light pressure strokes like an effleurage. So use nice lotion and gliding the hands up to the spine, down the sides, up over the shoulders, up to the neck. And do this several times. And you can do it between any other strokes. This is nice, relaxing stroke called the effleurage. You can also do thumb stripping using one thumb and then the other. Remember turning the hand above at the shoulder. So not turning the hands only, but turning the whole arm at the shoulder. And definitely watch your pressure. Just use light pressure. You can also do loose fist down the spine, gliding back with soft hands, and again down. And you can press with the loose fist the erectors away from the spine using light pressure. You can also do light pressure on a side away from the spine on the erectors. And to finish up, we're gonna do light effleurage down the back, up over the shoulders, over the neck. And my name is Denka Sutton, and I've just showed you how to do massage on a client with arteriosclerosis.